detail matters when moving nature's treasure.
Precision machine.
Every journey begins in the heart of the wild, where nature's masterpiece lives.
To harvest nature's finest, humans must tread carefully.
Precision and respect guide every hand that touches this delicate process.
Technology meets tradition to ensure safety and accuracy.
Caught in a cage of care, the journey toward craft begins.
Every detail matters when moving nature's treasure.
The first leg of the factory journey begins with careful handling.
Across miles of terrain, the raw material travels toward transformation. From the wild into industry, the journey continues.
Every careful step ensures the integrity of the material for the process ahead. Truck to conveyor, the journey continues without pause.
Every crate is guided with precision through controlled pathways.
Mechanical strength ensures safety while preserving the raw material. Every hide is logged, measured, and accounted for before processing. Documentation and care preserve both quality and traceability.
Entering the heart of the factory, the raw becomes ready for transformation.
Each hide is handled delicately, maintaining natural patterns and integrity.
The unique markings are revealed, ready for the journey through machinery. From hands to machines, the transformation begins with care.
Every detail of the process is designed to preserve perfection.
The facility stands ready, a hub where raw nature meets skilled industry.
Controlled entry ensures every material is accounted for. Access granted, the journey deeper into production begins.
Every detail signals precision and quality at every step.
From the outside in, logistics flow seamlessly toward processing. Conveyors link every phase, a seamless artery of production.
The first touch of the factory on raw material marks the beginning of transformation. Every hide enters a cleansing ritual, removing dust and impurities.
Precision machinery protects natural markings while cleaning thoroughly.
Human eyes ensure quality at every step, complementing automation. Sorting ensures uniformity for downstream processing. Ensures uniformity for downstream processing. Each hide is a canvas, catalogued for its unique beauty. Temporary organization prevents damage and maintains flow.
Controlled moisture prepares hides for deeper processing.
No detail is too small. Perfection demands attention.
The first touch of industrial power begins the transformation.
nature meets science as hides enter the heart of the factory.
Transformation begins, where chemistry softens and strengthens.
Even coverage ensures durability while preserving natural beauty.
Human oversight guarantees every hide meets factory standards. Processed hides flow seamlessly to the next stage of refinement.
Softening restores suppleness, preparing the material for precision work.
Every hide is handled delicately to preserve its integrity.
Precision rollers standardize thickness while maintaining texture. Controlled drying locks in softness and color.
Every environmental variable is calibrated to perfection.
Core processing complete, the hides are now primed for transformation into luxury leather.
Every hide is carefully prepared for precision cutting, revealing the potential within.
High-tech precision ensures every cut preserves natural pattern and strength.
Even with machines, human oversight ensures perfection.
Every edge is refined, ready for the art of transformation. Color is applied uniformly, bringing each hide to life.
Controlled drying locks in rich color and supple texture.
Subtle textures enhance the hide, preparing it for high-end craftsmanship.
Even after machines, skilled hands verify the beauty and quality of each piece.
Organization ensures seamless workflow for the next transformation stage.
Automation brings consistency and speed without compromising craftsmanship.
Robotic precision ensures every piece aligns perfectly with the next stage.
Brand identity is etched with precision, leaving no margin for error.
Every surface is perfected, revealing the hide's luxurious character.
Artificial intelligence supports human expertise, ensuring flawless results. Automation separates perfection from imperfection with unerring accuracy.
Flowing seamlessly, every piece moves closer to its final form.
Precision metrics guarantee consistency across every product.
Every detail is perfected by the collaboration of man and machine.
Automation completes its role, handing the hides to human hands for final finesse.
Final touches begin, where skill and detail converge. Every edge is refined to perfection, reflecting craftsmanship.
Buffing brings out the unique patterns that define luxury leather.
Even after machines, skilled eyes guarantee flawless quality.
Precise cuts shape the hides for their final form.
Fine details add individuality to each piece of luxury leather. Moisture locks in softness, preparing hides for packaging. The human touch finalizes the transformation, merging skill with automation.
Organization ensures efficiency as each piece moves toward verification. Every piece now faces rigorous testing before it becomes a luxury product.
Every hide is scrutinized under the brightest lights for flawless quality.
Skilled eyes detect what machines cannot, ensuring absolute perfection.
Exact dimensions guarantee uniformity for high-end products.
True color consistency is critical to the final luxury finish. Moisture levels must be perfect to maintain softness and durability.
Strength and resilience are verified, ensuring each piece meets standards.
Every piece must pass rigorous scrutiny before proceeding to packaging.
Approved hides advance seamlessly, ready for their final presentation.
Defects are addressed immediately, maintaining uncompromising standards. Quality guaranteed, the hides are ready to become luxury products. Hide arrives at its final stage, ready to be packaged with care.
Careful hands ensure protection during the final journey. Every package carries the mark of quality and authenticity.
Organization ensures safe and efficient storage for distribution.
Every product finds its place, awaiting delivery to global markets. From storage to shipment, every movement is precise and deliberate.
The journey from factory to client begins here, safely and securely.
Luxury leather embarks on its final voyage to the world.
And this is how modern factories produce leopard leather from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.